Good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever else are you there? This is the program called Love Salone and Left by that. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. The people in the salon today, the 9th of January 2022. The people today, I get a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing or happen, let we tell Papa God thank you. The people in the salon today, I got 3 messages for Una again. Mumpa make but and tune on us a story with a pool. We go continue for pool the story where people they want for you, and we go continue for say the things them where people they want for know. And tune on us say now we get demand them inside demand them. Sierra Leoneans, we move 2022. Pick your phone, you phone the ring. Today, now a brand new Sunday, a brand new day, a welcome Sunday. Today, I want to talk to Southeasterners then. Today, I want to talk to SLPP supporters, not Pauper supporters. Today, I want to talk to people them again, now APC. Today, I want to talk to PPRC. Today, I want to talk to Fisher. Today, I want to talk to Madam Bio again. Somebody go say, what I want to say today? What I want to talk today? But my first information today now is about the lights where the Africa power. Now, they yesterday I end. Today, now they are the starts because na continuity, na immediate. And I beg every Sierra Leonean. The audio they want they pull now. Keep them. Friend side, where they keep them. Because very soon, when they begin cut from their audio here, wait till they tell una, wait till they talk to una, and wait till they deliver to una. Very soon come, una go begin cut from their audio here. They date them, una mark them, una keep them, the people them. I tell una say, we go turn net to morning. We love salon. Net, we go turn up to morning. Past if I die, but if I not die, net, we go turn up to morning in Sierra Leone. The time they come, we sleep no go in Sierra Leone. The time they come, we begging soon. Madam, be on the petty finger, blood not come out. Very soon, salon people like up say, ah! Anyway, Adebayo not to ordinary mortal man. The time they reach. Very soon. But me na ordinary mortal man. Me na ordinary mortal man. Now make this thing clear to everybody. Very soon, Fatima go bet his finger, blood not come out. Una mark me word. Today the 9th. Today the 9th. Today the 9th. I'm going to repeat them to una me people them. I know they get to how they talk. Today, the 9th of January 2022. Very soon, Fatima and Madabio, then they bet their finger, blood not come out. The time don't come for make God take a decision. The time don't come for make God ask Madabio question. The time don't come. And it don't reach. Very soon, when I mark me word, una go see what will happen in Sierra Leone. Not a threat, but this is the fact that they say here. Very soon, Madam Biogo not say no powerful. Very soon, Madam Biogo not say in an ordinary shit hole. Very soon, Madam Biogo not say in a cacao. Very soon, Madam Biogo not say no important. Very soon, Madam Biogo, they Allah God, God not they look at. Very soon. Time don't reach. Tell you what they say. Daddy God bring come Madabio for a reason. Well, people get for can know the reason. People they can't sabi the reason. And people they can't understand the reason. Now, I want for make people them get for all me by me audios. I want for make people them all me audio them serious these days. If you not been they take me audio serious, take them serious now. And they talk them with authority. I know the Peter leak. The fate of election, it don't do. At time now they wait. But that witch, when I want cow with Saul, with a turn net to morning. Somebody go say, why are they about to emphasize on this thing? No more a man, not juju, not the way powerful past God. I say, not juju, not there, way powerful past God. Not juju, not there, way powerful past God. Passive not to God with a serve. Now, he make go for declare national day where every Sierra Leonean go team up and swear in that country. Every Sierra Leonean therefore team up and swear in that country. Madabio, Fatima, na Ake, na he don't come for them. So now, it don't flop. Ake way flop, if you say God hates you. The Ake, it don't flop. They don't do te, they don't do te, they don't do te. Now the last stop they don't reach so now. I know one thing about Juju, you know the last. I know one thing about Juju, you know the last. It go sustain, but it not go last. It go work, but it not go last. It go help you, but it not go last. When Daddy God help you, it last. When Daddy God stand by you, it last. When Daddy God there for you, it go last. I don't tell salon people them say, the day me Adebayo go get regard for Fatima and mother, Daddy God take me life that day. The day I get sympathy for them, Papa God, take me life that day. The day I get small sympathy, say Papa God, no make her sleep that day in this dunya. The time go come when they go call me for talk. At the time I go for tell salon people, they say, me not to basta pikin. If una na basta pikin them, me, Adebayo, not to basta pikin. But una know what they wait for? That person will go say, because Sierra Leone, we get one thing. When somebody die, and the tell God for praise him. La yeri any mami bombo we go cancel the praise Madabio. La yeri any mama bombo mama toto we go cancel the praise Fatima. And that the showman and mama in Kong. Then cup don't flop. When they talk am so now, they not go understand and then Fisa they act Nigeria film. When they talk am so now, people not go understand and go play with Adebayo and wants them. But the time go come when they go say, Adebayo talk am the 9. Adebayo say I'm the 9. Now he make a tell you and say the war where they come. The Southeasterners them when they embrace them. Now the morgue for die. Now the morgue for get casualty. And what's in the Picasso? Madabio know they go scot-free. Madabio know they escape harm. Now confidence get for kill them. Now wait small. Now make Aki always tell some people they say if we get for rich day. People not get for understand that word day. If we get for rich day. And if we rich day, it go be the worst for Madabio. I swear by God will make me. I swear by God will make me. Will give me this voice. Will give me this power for talk show today. If we reach 2023 with Madabio, it go be the worst in life. It go be the worst for him. It go tell like where God takes somebody, put on the fire. And for ask, say, Papa God, why you make us see 2023? Madabio go for asking self questions. Say, Papa God, why you make us see 2023? I know they talking by guests. I know they talking by threatening. Everything we don't do for the past 4 years. Everything what he don't do for the past 4 years, una the security or they guide Madabio. Una the soldier man them where they guide Madabio, where they guide Fatima. Una all life then they are stake now. Una the police and soldier them. Where them for this government, una life then they are stake now. So Uda no say in papa na security to mother. Uda no say in papa na security to Fatima. Uda no say in papa na security to any of them minister here. Tell them let resign now or let left salon. Because if you not to that, every bad politician they pay for waiting they can happen in Sierra Leone. I know they wish for let work come in Sierra Leone. Let nobody not get me wrong. I don't want for let work come salon. But we not able to escape them again the way salon they so now. One part the biggest thing we happy for. Na dengue for Kawitam, na dengue for get the highest casualty, na dengue for suffer the pain in the Madabio, na they again for regretting all life. Now come to me information now. Yesterday I tell the people of Sierra Leone about the light. The African light where they come out from the Mano River Union when at the Ivory Coast, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea. When we all hear when them bastard became the life and the people of Bo, then the life and the people of Kenema, then the life and the people of Kalon and Kakono, Pujom, Bant, then the life and the people live. They go take the lights from Bumbuna. Salona na dry season. Then go take the lights from Bumbuna Kawitam that they for make the lights the place. Light and them people them say, then they get lights. Yesterday, just when I released me audio, when I tell the people of Sierra Leone say 2023, then that particular project they get for done. When I tell the people them say 2023, now in that particular project they get for done. Now lie them can lie pan them people them. Now lie them can lie. I tell them say where the lie to the Bo, where the lie to the Kenema, where the lie to the Kailan, where the lie to the Kono. There's no light. They can lie pan them people them. And the money where they don't get that money themselves because if they get some other bill, they eat them now. Let's tell you now today. Yesterday, EDSA don't pull press release. Una not say now somebody who don't die, then in the life path. Somebody who not dead, then in the life path. SLPP used for life and Liberia. Now so Fatima Bio grab, it can life and Liberia the first lady. Right? Now they don't use EDSA for pull and press release. Then pull press release yesterday say the lights they get problem because the Liberia they supply to. Well, Liberia not even get the lighted. That's the funniest thing this way in the light for people live. Liberia went for supply salon. Liberia not even get the lighted. Salon went for supply Guinea. The light not even reach at the salon. Then them people are going to launch something, go open something and say the lights don't come. When I tell the people of Sierra Leone say this particular lights that fraud, that 2023, now if this light get for function well, what did they do? Then call the minister. What did the minister do now? They pull press release. EDSA pull press release say Liberia get serious problem now because Liberia they give salon light. They get serious problem, so therefore they get problem with the light. Because they no say they don't like on more people them, they don't like on Kenema people them, they don't like on Kailan people them. So now see the games now where EDSA don't pull press release. Now what they don't do now? Then they send immediate people at the radio station in Kenema, now Bo, now the southeast. But let them tell them say Liberia gets problem, and they challenge them say now lie them the lie. Liberia no fucking gets no problem. Because the light not started. Because the light not started. Now lie then the line now bongo foot. Now they say then they can't start for use the hydro we both get. For dry season. We all know say dry season, bono they get light. Past and get supply from other side. Can you imagine that? They said then they beg, do you Liberia gets problem? I want to tell the people of Kenema and Bo, say, now lie them the life now. Liberia not fucking get no problem. I want to tell the people of the Southeast state, now lie them the life now. Mother Bioga for life now take common power. Mother Bio, again for life now because we Northwest, we will not pull ourselves from this court on Mother Bio in ruling. Because Northwestern are not get rights in the courts, Northwestern are not get rights at the country for talk, Northwestern are not get rights, not get voice, not get anything. Now, una the Southeastern and then una get voice for talk in that country. Una the Southeastern and then una get power. Una the Southeastern and then una get the courts. Now una get everything to them as Sierra Leone. So now I make now una the liper. Now, EDSA don't go pull press release because I released the audio yesterday. See, this particular light now 2023 because me Adebayo, I know what they talk, I sabi what they talk, and I understand what they talk to the people of Sierra Leone. Mother Biogo life pauna te e komot. Now lie Mother Biogo continue for the life pauna. So I want to make this thing clear to Una. And I want to tell the whole country, say, that particular light day, now an Eskoroma, now pay money, now start that project there, and not start under no Pakaba. The one way Pakaba start with, then be cancel them. Because 96 way Pakaba come and call the idea to them, it say no get money, just take power. 97 they overthrow Pakaba, and go on go Guinea. 98 they intervene, right? January 6 and 99. All them during them period of day, na rebel war. 2000, then they go pull the West Side boss, na Okroil. In 2001, then they try for the peace coming from peace election. After election, then declare Salon say, war done 2002, then declare we are war free, na Sierra Leone. So nothing of it happen. Nothing. For the idiots that they look we. The idiots that they come in the life for we. I want to make them clear in the air. Let everybody understand. The nasty no Akalo colleague go do in find his back too. That dot you know piece of from 4. Silver blood you not get my left remote 2 hours if not something going must go smell like cacao. Then they open them mama them bombo and they talk a lucky talk. They let them go do them find is fine. And first of all, Silver blood is a rebel. We all sabi, we all know say a rebel because he is a member of the IUF. He is a member of the IUF and he work with Fodes and Koso. Na rebel, na shit hole, na cacao. So let me make this thing clear. Una them boy in Kenema. Say EDSA don't pull press release for light on her back. Let me come out that side. I want to make some people and pay attention for one thing now they up in social media. United Nations don't tell the SLPP say this particular election they can 2023 now free and fair. No rigging not going to take place there. And what salon people in rest assured. No rigging not going to take place for 2023 election. First of all, 6 months before election, when they see the turning point, when they know exactly where salon they go. Mark me what I read my lips. Something that will happen now. People them there right now where the SLPP don't set up. You know why they set them up? Now the same thing this then do 207. When they lost power, they can form beaucoup NGO projects them. From civil society, from 50-50, from this, from cacao, from everything. Bash at the SLAPC 24 hours. When Manabio come to power, we all see what's happening. They all set the cacao limb. Everybody shut down the Abdullah Valin, the Desmond Abu them. They all set them, Mama them, Bumbu them. The Tommy them. Right? The Marcella Samba, the Asma James, where he wouldn't cost him mama in the jail party. I don't know why they don't call me for jail. Why they cost him mama in Bumbo. I don't know why they not call me. I don't know why they not put money. Say anybody will own Adebayo. Who not put money for Adebayo no? Who not put money no? Why they cost Absa Jempe Mama Bombo? Why they cost him Mama Kong? Who not put money for Adebayo no? We all see how they shut down at the country. Now they're not saying they lost the election. Let me tell you now the SLPP. Una no still una get for expect Adebayo. Now where SLPP come on a power. I dey tell una get for expect Adebayo. Say anything where Adebayo talk it be. From the onset go, I don't tell Mother Biona the bad people here for them. From the onset go, I don't tell the SLPP say Mother Biona good for una. From the onset go, I tell Mother Biona for BT una all, get for BT una party. But una not been believed. Today some of una don't begin see out una yai. And Mother Biona talk on the radio, a talk on the AYV say it go betray all of you. How we all say get for betray we. Mother Biona in Pikin say we born betray. And if the Mother Biona get the God to say in welfare Pikin, they sell the house, they can kick the human in welfare Pikin, they pull them at it. Wetin day when Mother Biona go do again? Wetin day when Mother Biona go do again? I tell you now, say Mother Biona get for betray una all. Today, Mother Biona can give una confidence. When I watch when the women's election been there on, I read the language where Fatma our network. He said that in no more going to start the APC. Today again, we only read presiding. He said that in no more able to stand the APC. I hear again, Mother Biona saying that in no more able to stand the APC. Who said them pull this talk? That they may not sabi. But why they not be stand the APC in 2007? Presiding have been member na SLPP. Why not be stand the APC? Why not be stand the APC 2012? Why not be stand the APC? Why not be beat the APC? Why you allow the APC come na power 207? Why you allow the APC come na power 207? Why? Why? This is not the language and they are willing to pan light powder. We make the SLPP feel say, yeah, not true, let's give them. But I want to tell you, say, now a big mistake when I don't make back so for select Mother Biona as flag bearer. I want to tell you, say, now big mistake. Now I don't do so because Mother Biona they go. If the Mother Biona no go, if the Mother Biona no come, I don't say now me get for get a problem. I know the problem why they can't get now because me the challenger. Say Mother Biona 2023 election, you know the winner. And you they go. And that tower we get for can tower. Say because they buy a talk. Now they don't get a problem now. Now you got to make it die like a fowl. Now you got to make it die like a beast. Now you got to make it die like a chicken. If you not lie, when I read me lips and mark me words, now me they get now the problem. The problem why they get now because it go talent me. It go talent me watch them. Why they use Panasonic now? Because me I don't declare say if Mother Biona say pauper and they be president na Salone, me na the next rebel leader na Sierra Leone. I know they hide them today. I know they hide them tomorrow. And when they talk, thank God for every audio they release. The United Nations they listen them. The ECOWAS then they listen them. European Union, everybody were concerned they listen to me. I know they talk up and guest. Some of them picking the Osabusa and they na overseen ya. Abu win get pick again picture no side there na Cyprus. I they reach there for them. Me I they hunt them at this country. And they hunt them at Babylon. The states na office. So I know I shall be exactly what they talk. And they talk up and guest. Usabusa they keep them picking them. Usabusa they keep them. Usabi they. We know they. But the time they come, what go on them picking them? Me will tell us look on picking them yeah. And the time them go understand what is now. I know they talk I know they talk as scared what they talk. Because I know I sabi understand what they talk. So I want to tell everybody. I want to talk this to every Sierra Leonean. Right? Una where the SLPP. Mother Biona the stupid una say na able beat APC. Well, we can't confirm it now. But I want to tell you say Mother Biona they go. And nothing not they stop them. They go. Because today, una look what today happen at the country. Una look the price they control. Una look the underdevelopment they go on at the country, not development they go on at the country. Now, beaucoup lie, beaucoup talk, beaucoup lie, beaucoup talk, beaucoup lie, beaucoup talk, beaucoup lie, beaucoup talk. Today, statistics alone, una look how them disgrace the president. Una look how them disgrace una party, una census, una brag for. Una census, una make people, una say they talk again. And they talk again, not about the census for 10 people as they, una not go down, go. The people they know exactly what for do. And me message don't reach to side for reach. They go make convention na stadium where an Escoma make. They not get shame to net Jenny. They not get shame. They want to go pass message there. And the people they say, we'll never go there. Now to themselves, now then go there, then go do what them for do. A whole SLPP, when they not power, a whole SLPP, now they make convention so it dry. This don't give a message. And the message don't go. The people, they're not stupid again anymore. The people, they're not case again anymore. The people, they're not stupid again anymore. But I want to tell una the SLPP, when Mother Bio they give confidence in the win election, I want to tell una say Mother Bio they go. And Escoma, we work, we powerful past Mother Bio. When the international community ready, and party in the opposition, so enough fights, it's don't suffer. Yesterday I talked this word and I go stand today. Na caretaker that we get na salon. The international community now then they rule salon. Now waiting them want now in the be. Waiting them want for like be na salon now in the be. Not to waiting Mother Bio wants. And they talk with authority, not to waiting Mother Bio wants for being a salon. Now waiting them want. Now even before the election, World Bank don't make them position clear. European Union don't make them position clear. United Nations don't make them position clear. Every institution will make the position, they don't make them position clear. They don't get no anchor again, they don't get no side for all. They no say then they go. They no say then they go. I swear to God, if you are the Lila blind like Attila, if you don't want to know they go. If you don't want to know they go, la blind like Attila. Then they go. I know they talk on my guest. 2022, one day this alone. You will have visit now by again for Sidon. No, wait no more. 2023, we all did this alone. We all did this alone next year. Another 5 again, 11 months left. Next year, we all did this alone. Now we know that now that's. Now we know me and Mother Bio that they run the country. Now that tell I go understand. Now that tell I go sabi. Now that tell I go know. Now that tell I go know say Adeba na untouchable. Why they talk now so Mother Bio go and peace by himself. Why they talk and so now? Because he know the repercussion. He sabi the repercussion and he understand the repercussion when me they count for her. Mother Bio na me they pull power in hand. By hook or crook, Mother Bio, and they go. Because Mother Bio not get anything substantial. Wait for make you left one day. Mother Bio not get anything for sure. Wait for make you left one day. So now he make that pattern. When they can take some people them now for come na social media. For can become activists now, begin talk against them. And I want to give people them ears. I don't want to talk for certain people them now. They say, hey, Adeba, anybody who can on social media and they attack her. Anybody when I say the truth na truth. I got to begin call them name them one. Very soon, I they begin name them. But I want for you now the chance, una the people them. Una begin listen some people them audios them now. Even if una no get time, una no want listen them, but una listen them. Where they talk like say them they against SLPP. But when una they listen and critics, una listen them from who side they come out and who side they go. Una listen the way they criticize SLPP, and una listen the way how they criticize the APC. Una listen attentively, like how una they pay attention for listen to me. There are certain people that are on social media. Una listen them attentively. How they discuss, how they display for condemn Madabio. Una listen how they condemn Aneskoma. Una listen how they condemn SLPP. Una listen how they condemn APC. I want una listen attentively. When I get for call them name, una go understand, say, oh, Adeba will make a point, and Adeba na two, na fact na say na ya. Una know why? Then set up them people here now for let them begin talk against the SLPP, but not all with the mind, not all with the heart. I make them know exactly, technically, professionalism, they know the how they criticize the SLPP. Una know why then they do so now? Because they know say they don't lose gap. Where then they go? They want people there because when APC they come na power back, Asma James no go talk to listener. And they get myself for talk. Then Tomida and Gulavalina, they all they go fair work. So now, what they do now? They count fresh people them now. And people that we don't do into this active business now. For make people and say, but then people are them, they criticize and sell people. So if they criticize APC, then genuine. I want this particular information more to take them serious. The people of Sierra Leone. But I ready for all them people them there. I ready for them. Because questioning they will begin for the ask them. I ready for them. I prepare for them. Because they not say these are the plans that make when government change. Subhanallah. Now we don't left 1 year. You want to come be activist. You want to come be actor. No. If you don't start for be actor from 2018. If you don't start for be actor from 2018, 2019. If you come there, you say you can be actor. Because you know that you party they can't come on power. Then you want to continue to become an actor. I go actors you. If you're not actor, I go actors you. I go tell the people that are you. I go tell the people I go expose you. And you don't be actor 2018, not be actor 2019, 2020. Now 2022, you want to come become an actor. Because these are the games that I make the SLPP that they trick people and they feel them smart. But we prepare and ready for them people them day. So I want to make people understand attentively. People them then when they come, that they can become an activist. But when, because they know them party, they can't come out, so they're going to fight for the party. This is exactly not the mission. Now, I make I tell people them say we go turn next to morning. That cocoa will be done soccer. When they come now as cocoa, we be done soccer. Now pension no more now they wait for. So I want to tell everybody this. Today I want to talk to Fisher. Fisher be not say the 31st of December. And go make sure say make the final decision of the APC then case when they gets in a court. Today the 9. Now inside 2 weeks today pass so now. Inside 2 weeks, 5 more days. Now 2 weeks. Tato today, Fisher not able for call and go make this decision. Fisher, if you not say the NRM and they win, give them. No waste your time. If you not say the APC and they win, give them. No waste your time. I'm not saying the contract you get, not to the contract you get. Then give online cases there because they know that you get passport, you go able to fly. But Fisher, I want to tell you, say this thing I ain't going to kill you. This thing I ain't not going to give you peace in your life. This thing I ain't not going to make you rest. You just begin die. You just begin die. Until this you knew whom away gets, and they can go to all kind of babalawo, all kind of juju man. Juju not the last. And they tell you, say juju not the last. Juju not the last. You see the mother be able and use you. Then use you against Paolo Conte. But people that will not be know, will not be understand. Whether they cause Petito, their mama them bombone, whether they cause JFK, their mama them bombone, people that don't understand this. Whether they cause Alaki, bastard, because if you're bloody, their mama them bombone, people that don't understand this. And they vex because people are slow for understand. That are like in big 600 form. They are the same people who communicate with Madabio for let them hold Paulo Conte because they know say Paulo Conte is loyal. We sabi, we know. But people are not being they understand. Today they open people and the APC and they open and conquer and they open and mama them bomb and they talk say the party now want unite, the party that expired the executive. Why do you take them to court? Then you address the man as the secretary general, you address the chairman and leader as chairman, you recognize that. Then you say the man expire, you man bombo for stupidness. You address the man as chairman and leader. If you fucking not say this man not a chairman and leader, why you call him chairman? Why you they expect him? You they expect the man, they call him chairman and leader. Then they take him and say the man expired. Then when you go for the same court, you don't feel man bombo, they say the chairman and leader, the secretary general. Are you mad? Are you serious? People are not open with, I love you open with them. Them pastor became where they saw the APC. Madabio, they use them for deflect the people in mindset that APC. Why when they come to power, somebody when not can be president and in the Fed? Now because they ain't sabi the road they can pass. Una sit down and think. Una think wisely. APC no gets no problem. The one they will get problem, they go to courts. Una sabi the people that get the problem. Last show una not sabi the host them. Una call me last show na Steve Blind in the host. Una call me last show na Ibrahim Bundu in the host. Una call me last show na Ibrahim Soy in host. Una call me last show na Mohamed Bangura in host. Una call me last show na JFK in host. Una call me last show na. Right? Last show na the host them. Una not sabi the host them. Petito the host them. Una not sabi them. These are the idiots. Petito don't come out, don't make it point that they fucking they talk to them. Now they all the fucking they talk to Kutubu. They use Kutubu. They think say all they happen, una know them thing, they come out and talk. Petito don't come out plain, say in and Padut Madabio. Madabio are the best man of the country. Where's them? Talk all kind talk. Mame Bangura don't come, he say Madabio and Paddy. He brother, me ain't go sit down. He tell me say Madabio and Paddy, and they sleep na me o start the day. And then they fucking sleep na me o start the day. Daddy God not compromise with Satan. When Satan misbehave, he send a dome. But the service somehow, now dong the last time they send him. He said, you know, for the near me, close me, you don't forget close contact. Because if I allow you, you go and become me. Me when are the greater one, me will make you. Openly! Petito don't come out. They don't talk her. This thing they fucking pissed me off. These are the fucking guys over there. Remember they fucking use inside the APC, man. We all see that court, JFK, they call and say for me witness against Samuel Kamara. They fucking tear all the happen. We're not sabi the host there. We're not sabi go mix the host them. We're not sabi cut one my head. All this nonsense when they fucking the happy so. Now the same one and they use people for can cost and esco my mama. And the same one and they can use people for can fit the man. When the man not do nothing, the man not serve down, the man not need no APC again, true. He not fucking need APC again. But he just do one because na party, love him party, na people and they support them they. And as common support and young people and then they. And not go allow them to perish like how they perish, show up people for perish, man. The man they doing best. The man no say the fete to salon is there. When SLPP they ready for fete, that the international community now they fete, they can lie to England. Lion can lie. Lie. Then lie, what's the lie? Then go America, then lie. United Nations, then lie. ECOWAS, then lie, then they lie. Wait, man, is okay, no waiting. Law will change, but law we see. If waiting, they talk that too. Because an escoma gets common sense, he knows say the fete to salon today. The fact that the international community now then get her. Now then the rule winner, then the dictator we winner just caretakers. And now then the man fet in fet. There's some of you now wait for only count for the man who they fuck up behind the man, who they betray the man day by day. Una fucking they call the man and say una brother. Then una they fucking they send the man to Madabio. If he and as command to be strong, somebody God not be putting blessing upon her. Then that time I don't fucking jail him, or that time I don't fucking molest and disgrace and kill her. This is the fucking old fucking truth, man. That fucking truth there, people that Sabian on the MPC, they don't come and open them, mama them bombo them, they talk there, bro. All the time they can't open them, conk them, pastor, peace, all and they can't talk alaki talk there. And escoma this, and escoma that, and escoma not for day, and blah blah, which kind of talking there were. Where we all know now say, and escoma na kayafi over them basta pikia, it's Sabian for treats there. Man, we don't come out opposition, go take power na SLPP their hand, so they'll be rough past Madabio, and escoma control I want her. 2007, he controlled Madabio the all I want. They put them at their position there. 2012, why Madabio not cough? Everything when Madabio they go and do so, just they go and fly, they go and fly. They got my near and Escoma. And Escoma na heavyweight for her. In a content. When they go heavy coast, now make they go turn cameraman. Because that's a celebrity for them. Then they collect. Then they collect the mind pattern. APC gets a very strong defense. APC gets a very strong midfield. APC gets a very, very, very strong attack. There's no way, there's no possibility for SLPP win election on top APC. There's no possibility. There's no possibility. You now listen to the man and fucking statements them. Now they able beat APC. APC not get date for election and then a court. Then at this, where we all sabi, but you know, I am not church, I got the host, and they go talk back. Mother be on a mentor, mother be on this, mother be on that. Then they call your party, that party there. What are you talking nonsense this? Mother Mangu, I don't fucking guys say that party. Me and brother can't tell me that I'm party with mother be asleep na bios. And they cut in neck, and they cut her. Next one we go talk her. These are the whole fucking truth. Then they undermine the party because of their selfish interest. If you don't work fine and sack your ass, why they go use Kutubu for come molest the man? It's kind of nonsense this. I all they use Kutubu. If will not sabi, we know. You understand? Alpaca na idiots, we know, but him better pass them petty to them. So me, my man God, because Alpaca ain't not show like him, ain't make them clear. From where APC come on a power, and only a APC, and not go for APC business. The only thing when Escoma and sister die, it go there. A sure and Escoma say die spot any other two will depart. But you know me brother. It go there back then, jump podium, me talk. I prefer Alpha Khan than Petito. I prefer Alpha Khan than Mohamed Bangura. I prefer Alpha Khan than the idiot that went inside the party. They are messy say that they all give this bastard because Samsman has sense. Say Samsman calm. If they out, you know they will fight. Away they inside they will fight. Me, now when they talk to now, messy say tell me that fucking what they. He say go able fight where they inside. But they outside, you know they able fight. Ebo. Una sabi them through there. Una fucking go meet them and then host them. So una fucking left them through here. Una fucking left. This way where Samsman where Petito behave. Any SLPP former minister do like what Petito do so, then they fuck off on the SLPP. I swear to God, that way when Petito behave so, I swear to God, to me I call me Boju. If anybody in the SLPP behave so, then they fuck off on the SLPP. You know that tower we talk to, now look how they discipline. When I tweet talk, how na they perfect to na enemy there that you go come out and say that body, that brother, that this, that that. When this nonsense begin at parliament, you are not member. Pull parliamentarian land. The international community want for take decision and just can I undermine the whole system there. He said the government get right for send police at parliament. Are you crazy? You ever see them in the world, neighbor? Some of them big men they own the worship, so na shit all day. Na bastard beginning. But we don't talk. Now to June. If APC not fucking do something serious and bulldoze and get the flag there, when they get to ourselves for blame because we the people they go try for do something. Of course. Because we're not going to put them mess there. We're not going to put them shit all thing there. This is time 2022. We move. We're not going to pampas nobody again, man. Come on. We're not going to pampas nobody again. The owner of Escoma said, we're not pampas. Nobody will not pampas now. Now, make I say the people that were prepared for 2023 inside the APC, they don't reach 10. Only one that are selfish game and they all the part. When they say, look, I write letter, Lord, do something against the party. And they tell someone, they say, they go see me family in a village. And they tell someone, they go to a village, say, no, well. We don't let games stay away in the balance. We sabi there. Too hard for talk, but don't talk, man. Don't fucking say the truth to them bastard picking the abo, the APC, bro. And they steal the people, and they steal the power. Una de steal them Escoma, that one. Una de steal them bad one. When Madam Biobi the 30 internationally chief ministers and they right and they lie, presiding and then at the gun, right? Lima them. Then they go and do the groundwork. Then tell una for the paduna homework, for the paduna groundwork. Why's the party fed internationally? Because I don't know able to fight international, I don't know able to travel, I don't know able to move. Because now all them arrest una kakao le una no get mind talk. Dirty Madam Bio, na put una so 4 years una no get mind travel. E all una passport they all. Big man elekuna. Una let shame self. Una let shame bro. Una you dey go from big 6, small 6, kakao 6, teenage den 6. Madam Bio get my all my passports. I let them born on photo and then get my put handy. I let them born on photo and then get my put handy. You say I get my stop on Escoma. Why Escoma ready for travel? You able to stop her? A big man. 4 years. The man all una passports there. Una net travel. 6 una freeze una accounts there. Una no get my shake. I remember that be they go open my man bombo say able APC. And when somebody mass stone, the when blind master the stone, you don't mass the stone. Now some of them tear away do so now. Now make you not say able, he say able now. Tutu. Now some of them tear where do so now. Seize una passport them, hold una property them. This down not shake, una not pull una people in. Now una say una get people in. Na me get ya. Na me get Cambia. Na me get Poloko. Na me get Kono. Na me get this. I mean, Madam Bio officer powerful. I swear to God and Ogu. Madam Bio officer powerful because it fucking treats you in this kind of way. Who done Escoma all in passports? And Escoma no nobody in passports. Let everybody do it here one for the go. Now me get na ya, I mean a big man. You know a big man they all you passport. What you fucking do? They go big Madam Bio, dirty Fatima where you shit born, they go bigger. Madam Bio where you born, they go bigger. Like seriously? Una see LJ? Una watch LJ? When Caldinero, when an enemy go na police, you always can go Caldinero, cost him mama. He say you don't mind, he die. But let cow not fucking go there. I expect them for that. This time, make Madam Bio they feel say, and they open them big shops there. Here we APC they kakao them bastard because they be na. They go and talk. Madam Bio they sabian do APC. Madam Bio they sabian. Now because of them say, wait try nonsense to an Escoma, and not the call they we get. Now one they wanna. Now one in Nenengia say if you not come up behind Escoma, you go die behind. If you try. You man the memory and the one and back say, not come up behind Escoma. And young man then I am the one. So that means And as Komaya said that they're no more strong than APC. Because all the rest are shit holes. Yeah, sure. I don't fucking care you talk about it, but we move 2022. We know the pampas, nobody now again, bro. Ah, we don't pampas. I said we don't pampas, nobody again. We move. So that means if God not been count me, God not been count other people. Then they tell a different thing for them and talk. Because and the school we get the strength, we get the power for faith. Una all turn around for faith the man. That's how people they fetter. And they perfect for client internationally say, no, I'm not a criminal. I mean, at the same man, at the same place. I don't fetch the man. Tell I'm not able. Tell to now that they fetch the man. So una on social media, una call una people and petito e oside. Si we are blind in the oside, lo akaloko de oside na den na the bastard pikin now na APC. Abraham Bunu de Abraham Soide. We are not starting go beat one pan and kill them. Or not kill one. This all this nonsense they don't. And 2022 will move. And I promise you now, if we now continue this alaki from now to June, when they begin lost to our life them. Because they on to now host to host. Wait till APC no one do me love salon at the door. And they send people and get on and they begin beat to bang. Public mistake, public correction, because no one less salon trade. Because the reason is for any decision where APC make the national decision now. Because everybody they watch what the APC they do. The international community now one get word and they tell the APC now try do something now. Because there's someone for move. Now all the APC now then they wait so they get them flag bearer. All the APC now then they wait. Because of Mother Bio know this thing. They make it a fucking they use Fisher. They want to cost Fisher in my mind bastard pikin. You got a lucky bastard pikin in an episode they can't talk a lucky talk. This time around, no pampasing. Don't begin tell her like he don't get to. Me, my own brother go tell me saying I'm padu to Mother Bio. At the chap, line tongue at the cut and not talk again. Because I know say very soon and they use you now for campus DB, they go use you now for like a die. But we all lost in this man doing a church that they do and they only talk Mother Bio and padu. You enemy, they go be padu the case. Why did he God not be padu with Satan? So the people of APC will not use my aid. We dey wait for actions now. Because we ready for move. Una the soldier man and policeman there. I want to tell una say, if una say una go stand by Mother Bio, na big problem for una. Southeasterners, the answer dey na una hand. Not what they about to tell una say una no vote for Mother Bio, una vote for Mother Bio. If a Mother Bio work for una vote for Yaya. Malele moi. If a Mother Bio work for una, fine. Una vote for him, bro. No, una brother. Simple. This I'm a message. Una stay blessed and God bless Salone.